Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to bin Xref. So you can tap Xref, press enter, and then I will insert for the DW objects. Okay, I will use this example, click open, okay, and then insert into your drawing area. Now if you want to bin this Xref, you can go to the Xref dialog box and then right click on the object. Now you can click in the bin option. After it, click OK to bin the Xref. Okay, you can insert again. Like I will insert another object. Click open and then insert again to this point. Now if you want to bin, you can move to the dialog box Xref, right click on the file and then choose bin. Click OK to bin. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to bin Xref.